Welcome back to Doctor's Orders. My name is Keegan, and we're here for our daily dose of reading music on the guitar. I post these every day, and I post general topics about once a week, so please like and subscribe. I'm going to take a break from the baseball melodies just for today. Don't be sad. And this is just something I wrote I don't know, just kind of out of nowhere, and I thought with this one, for today, we'll read it slow at a dotted quarter around 60, and then tomorrow we're gonna read it twice as fast. So yeah, I wanted to write something that would be kind of fun to work up, something not too long. Yeah, so that's essentially what this is. Okay, so I'm not going to do the video for this one because it's kind of difficult with the 6/8. So I'm just going to put on click. So this is your dotted quarter note. Okay, well, let's try it. So 1, 2, here we go. Okay. Oh, my head is getting chopped off. There we go. Let's see. Yeah. So, I mean, even that is a little difficult. Let's see. And I definitely made a mistake somewhere. I think measure 4. Let's see. So I'm just gonna, for myself, I'm just gonna look at measure 4 for a second. Okay, so I'm not really worried about fingering just yet, but on the next one I will have worked on it a little bit, and so I'm gonna share what I came up with in terms of fingering to work up the tempo to twice as fast as what we're doing today. Yeah, let's see. For example, I'm playing that all with one finger right now. I don't know if I'll do that when I work it up. Okay, let's play it one more time. Make myself disappear and see if I can not make a mistake this time. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man, it's worse. It's worse. It got worse. Okay. So one more time. I'm gonna work on where my head is at. I need to play that a little bit. So. Okay, and then it does that whole thing. Okay, one more time from the top. 1, 2, here we go. Better. Okay, so already, a little challenging, but we're going to try to play it much faster tomorrow, about twice the tempo. So, yeah, see if you can do that. And join me tomorrow, and we'll play it at 120 quarter note, dotted quarter equals 120. So double what we just did would be here. Okay. All right. I'll see you on the next one.